Hello guys, let's learn some colors and draw alphabets in circles. It is marker. Today we learn marker drawing. Let's start. Brown color, black color, orange color, light blue color, light green color, violet color, blue color, light pink color, dark green color, yellow color, cyan color, red color, pink color. Let's start. A for aeroplane. B for banana. C for car. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for house. I for ice cream. Z for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nuts. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Let's learn. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Hello guys, let's learn colors and numbers. Let's start. Yellow color, blue color, black color, red color, green color, cyan color, dark green color, orange color, pink color, blue color. Let's start. Number 1. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Number 11. Number 12. Number 13. Number 14. Number 15. Number 16. Number 17. Number 18. Number 19. Number 20. Let's learn 1 to 20 counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Kids, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Stay with me. See you next video. Bye bye kids.